Hey guys, we're at Paris, Las Vegas Hotel and Casino, room 3097. It's the 30th floor. This is at the very end of the hallway, so that's like the normal hallway. And you come in this door, and then when you come in here, here's just like a little room. Here's like a, I'm assuming P for petite suite maybe. In our room, we actually kind of like it because it's extra secure, double locks. Normally we film this right when we check in. We were so excited just to get downstairs that we forgot. So we are checking out right now. So it's a little bit messier. So please bear with us. This is the king size Burgundy room. So here is the bathroom. And we used a lot of the amenities, but they're all this brand. They were very nice. Makeup mirror. So then over here you have a nice tub, toilet, and a nice big shower. Again, I'm sorry for the mess. This shower was lovely. So you have like the rain head and then you have like an extra shower head. So the pressure was nice. It was very relaxing. Okay, so then when you come out here, here is the king bed, 2 nightstands. The room is spotless. Little seating area, another little seating area. And then here's like the entertainment center. So you've got a really large flat screen TV. Then inside here, closet space. And in here, you have mini fridge and a safe, 3 large drawers. Then in here, ironing board. There are full-size mirrors everywhere too. There's one on each side of this entertainment unit. There's one on the back door of the bathroom. So yeah, so then here is our view. So you got a little bit of the High Roller, Venetian, Harrah's, Flamingo, Mirage, Caesars, Rio, Bellagio. At nighttime, we could hear the fountains perfectly with all the music. It was beautiful. So it is November 2020. Loved it. Paris was wonderful. Their customer service was top notch. We will definitely be back. All right, give us a like, subscribe, and we will see y'all soon.